While successful UX designers rely on dozens of technical skills to be successful, beginner designers will discover that these top 5 UI UX design skills are actually more important if you want to start your design career on the right foot. They also happen to be the simplest. We're starting off with the most essential of the bunch. You're probably thinking, I know this already. Understanding and creating designs for your users' needs and motivations is the role of a UX designer. The real skill here lies in knowing your own biases and tendencies well enough to remove them from your design process. The human subconscious processes 11 million different data inputs every second and automatically bypasses a lot of these inputs to manage the cognitive load of merely existing. This is to say, sometimes we ignore stuff when perhaps we shouldn't. Recognizing when your biases come up in research, questioning your underlying assumptions, and accepting user behavior for what they're showing you is a skill you can take straight to the bank. Mainly because it's tough to truly design things for other people. Without this skill, you're stuck building solutions for nobody. As a UX designer, you are tasked with finding solutions to complex problems, often with significant resource constraints and multiple stakeholders vying for a preferred solution. That was a lot of business jargon for sometimes your teammates or users want you to make their idea instead of a solution that would actually work for them, and it's your job to tell them no. Not only do you need to think critically about what problems you're solving, who you are dedicated to solving them for, identifying user patterns, and innovating solutions that will make the experience better than anything they've seen before, but you need to decide which problems you are not going to spend time solving. And you're going to have to defend that rationale to people who care about this problem just as much as you do. Sticking with a clear vision of what you're solving is critical and goes hand in hand with our next skill. Designers need to effectively communicate their ideas upstream and downstream. UX designers in particular are responsible for translating user behavior into user needs, demonstrating how these needs could be solved with new features or products. You're not just catering to your users. And to make the thing you know needs to be made, you need to get product manager buy-in, even pitch leadership about why a certain investment is worth making. When it comes to actually making the thing, the engineering team needs a clear understanding of your design system, your hierarchy, element choices, the works. In order to find the best solution, explaining design decisions, presenting concepts, and collaborating with internal and external stakeholders is a nuanced, undervalued skill. I've said it before in this video, but it's worth repeating that most beginner designer jobs are going to be faced with serious resource constraints. Some teams may not have time for deep user research, or maybe they can't rationalize the cost of a design tool anymore. That makes creative, uncommon prototyping all the more important. Sure, knowing how to create a working model of your design with software and advanced design tools is important. Figma is one of the most popular tools right now, but don't discount Sketch, Adobe XD, Balsamic, or any of the other prototyping tools. But knowing how to get the same user feedback with a low-fidelity mockup and get the feedback that you would from a high-fidelity mockup is way more important, way more impressive. And I would also argue it demands more creativity. It can sometimes be more fun. In any case, most of the time, the prototype you present shows one thing and one thing only: your awareness of the specific user problem you are trying to solve. And the best UX designers can do that with pen and paper just as easily as with a Mac Studio and the entire Adobe suite. This is a must-have skill for UX designers because it enhances everything else on this list. Design is constantly evolving. New tools, new trends, new user tastes. Designers are sometimes the last to know when a team priority has changed, but they're the first people who need to accommodate a new vision. Develop a learning mindset to combat all of the change. Approach every new problem with curiosity. Come up with personal strategies for staying creative and positive in the face of change, and start using those strategies way before you think you need them. To work in design is to work in continuous improvement, both on the things that you make and within yourself. Every UX designer has these 5 essential skills and a way to prove that they use them. Another thing every UX designer needs is a solid portfolio, which is why we made a video on that very subject, how to make one and why you should. We'll link it in the description. And if you're not quite there yet and you want to try Design On for Size, check out our free UX design curriculum.